Hello, beautiful people. I am Sierra Sade, and I wanted to just take some time and just give some feedback in regards to my experience with Forex Beginners Academy created by Saad Ali. First thing I want to note is that I'm not too terribly new to Forex. I've been learning Forex for at least about the last 2.5 years, and I've purchased so many courses. I've paid for so many different programs to be a part of all of these different communities. And while I have learned a lot, I can be honest and say that I have not gained the skill that I actually need to become a profitable trader. And with the Forex for Beginners Academy by Saad, I have done that, because one of the things that he focused on, which is critical in the game of Forex, is chart analysis. A lot of people, they allow you the ability to follow along with them as they trade. They give you the ability to copy their signals, but they don't really give you the nuggets that you need to actually learn chart analysis for yourself and be able to go into the market and recognize the opportunity to actually make money. And the fact that Saad provides this critical information all for free is really just life-changing. It's mind-blowing, and I am humbled and grateful and thankful to him and his team for just really having the humility for society to provide this type of life-changing information for free. Because again, I can't tell you how many courses I've purchased over the last 2 years really trying to harness and learn this skill, and I've learned so much. A lot of information I already knew coming into the academy. I knew about trends and how to identify them, and how to draw trend lines, and how to use Fibonacci retracement, how to enter and exit a trade. I knew about pips, but I didn't really know how to analyze everything that I've learned, all of those technical terms that I've learned on the charts, and actually identify an opportunity to make money. And this free program that Saad and his team has put together has really been life-changing, and it really has allowed me to do that. One of the things that I also really love is that he gives you access to his community. These are like-minded people, everyday people that are coming together to bridge the gap between learning this skill and mastering it, and really having the ability to make some life-changing income on your own time, which I may add. So I am just forever grateful to this team. I am so glad that I discovered it. I don't even know how I discovered it. Like I said, I've been learning Forex for quite some time. So I think I was just searching for a way to really just figure it out. And I think I came across one of his YouTube videos, and then that led me to Facebook. Facebook led me to his program. So it has really been life-changing. If you or someone you know is thinking about really learning the skill of Forex, I 100% hands down recommend Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali, because first of all, it's completely free. Second of all, the simplicity of his lessons just really give you the opportunity to take in the information, take it back to the charts, and apply it in a way that it actually makes sense to you. So if this is something that you've been considering doing, even if it's not something that you're considering doing, you should consider it anyway, because it's a great opportunity to put yourself in a position to learn a skill that really can be life-changing for you and your family. And that is all thanks to Saad Ali and his team and his academy that he put together. So I'm grateful. Thank you.